Hello, I am Surendranath Menon. After retirement, I constructed a house at my ancestral property at North Paravoor. After constructing the property, I was searching for an interior decorator for doing my interior jobs. And I have shortlisted so many companies, and meanwhile I happened to see one work done by Woodnest at Trichy, and I was quite impressed with their work. I contacted them, and I felt very comfortable with dealing with them. I set my requirement with them, and I proceeded with that work. I am quite satisfied with their work, and that they have completed it very nicely. I am quite impressed with their work, quality of service and professionalism. So I can confidently recommend this company for your interior requirements of your buildings. Thank you.